Hey everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to tidy up your family search family tree by merging profiles. Now, I should warn you, only do this if you're 100% certain. And I have done some research prior to this video, so I am sure about this one, okay? And I've also made some mistakes on this in the past. So I've looked at this person's family tree and I've seen the matches to my own family tree, but not, and I should repeat, they have similar profiles. So if I compare the two, now there's not as much detail in this one, but I know from the research I've done prior to this video that there is a match. Okay, so, and I should add in something really important before you go with the merge process. If there are any other existing relatives on the profile you're about to overwrite, make sure that you keep a note of one of them so you can find it and then add it in at the end, because after you merge the profile, it effectively orphans that profile, so it doesn't have any connection with any others, and then the work that person's put into that profile is all lost because it just doesn't bring them into your family tree, and then it kind of cuts them loose in cyberspace on the other end. So what you should then do, and you can see I've got the Edward Hugh Worthing profile, the son of John Worthing, who I'm going to merge with my own John Worthing profile. I need to make sure I've got that, and actually I realized if I click on that, it gives you the option to copy. That's nice and easy. And then at the end, you should then add at least one person profile from that original tree into your own, and it will bridge that connection. But if you don't, you can lose it, and that can be very frustrating for everyone. So make sure you do that. Something else really important to note: if you're not sure, just don't do it. Just do some more research and come back. But if you are sure, then what you need to do is see this is the profile, okay, ID. Now you've got it here, but you just can't copy and paste. So it's at the end of the URL. Select it, right click, copy. Nice and easy. And then if I come into the other profile I want to merge with, scroll down on the right, merge by ID, and then right click again, paste. So I've got the ID previously, saying it's a valid person, and do take this into consideration as I've mentioned. Once you're happy, press continue. Now this is where you need to be careful, and I actually made a version of this video before and I was so into making the video that I missed this part. What you need to realize here is this part is really crucial. Now it also says these have been merged before. That was me in the mistake, so don't worry about this for this one. The surviving person, need to make sure you're keeping the right surviving person. Now in my case, I want to bring this person's profile into mine, so this one is to be deleted and the GZ one is to survive. So that is fine by me, and I can look through this. That's all great. I want the green is the one to keep. Okay, I can't stress that enough, having made that mistake myself. And this is where you get to keep or remove any issues. And in this case, it's automatically brought over the sources for me. See these in green? These have been brought over, and I can undo that, but it's trying to do it for me, which is great. In this case, they're direct matches. There's nothing to replace there. So if I scroll down, just check everything is as it should be. I can still at this point revert, or I can continue, and you've got the same buttons at the top. And this is where you can just choose one of the pre-written boxes if you want, or you can add your own take, and then you will finish. Okay, so finish merge as long as you're happy with it. And this is the final step, and really crucial, otherwise you lose the work that other people have put in and you delete their work. So I've kept in a tab, I've kept open the details of the son of the person I was going to merge and overwrite. So what I can do now, copy that ID, and I've actually done this off screen. I just got carried away. I should have done it on screen, but let's say in my merged profile, you then go to the one you've kept and make sure you add the relation. So in this case here, I've done it, but if I did want to add a child, and you can search by ID number then very easily and just paste it and go next. Now it's already there in this case, but you see I just simply confirm it, and that way you don't do any damage when you're doing merging. you get to keep the right details, and you get to bring over the work from others and help them connect to yours. So that's really important, and I can't stress that enough. That is one of the reasons why family search gets a bad rep, I think, because people don't explain this very well. But if you do it properly, it's really helpful, and I hope you found it useful. Remember to like the video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you want more videos, tips on your family history, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching.